Hi everyone, I hope you're well where you are. Today's video is very interesting. Today's video, I'll be showing you how to make your own condensed milk from home. One of the things that should motivate you to make this condiment from your comfort of your kitchen is the cost. Guys, this thing is expensive. In the shelves of the supermarkets, as you pick one, you will just see how expensive they are. I think a 250 ml, I'll confirm that, a 250 ml of this costs about 400 shillings. That's like $4, and it's not even like that much. It's not enough to do so much with it. So the better, if you learn, just look at how beautiful mine came out, and it is very simple to make. You just need to be keen, follow through. At the end, I will be able to show you how I used my milk, my condensed milk. I attempted to make a Bounty bar. It is not perfect in shape. My chocolate let me down, but nevertheless, we enjoyed these bars. We really love them, and I'm going to make them again and again until we perfect it. And this is the time I just ask you to continue liking this video, recommend it to your friend, subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my new subscribers. I'm so happy for the growth we're experiencing. Karibuni sana.
Everybody has their job, 9 to 5, and getting drained. They settle for second best, scared to risk what the future might bring. What the future might bring. I hold my breath, waiting for someone to knock at my door. If I love all the ways the world puts me to the test, if I embrace every fall, learn to grow and keep myself tall, would it hurt at all? I hold my breath, waiting for someone to knock at my door. Everybody has their job, 9 to 5, and getting drained. They settle for second best. Scared to risk what the future might bring. What the future might bring. I hold my breath, waiting for someone to knock at my door, telling me there is.
So with our milk done, it is cooled, done, and perfect. You can even sell it. At this point, I want to show you how I went about to make my coconut bars. You just take a desiccated coconut. I had a pack remaining that was not finished up, so I thought it would be wise to just combine with the new one that I was opening here. These packs are available in the local supermarkets, and if you are from the coastal part of the town, I know you can easily get your own desiccated coconut at a very good price. I think these are things also you can learn to make for yourselves, but for me, I normally just buy. And I think this mixture of the desiccated coconut and the condensed milk we've just made from here gives us such a beautiful dessert. I think today's emphasis is just the beauty that and the simplicity that comes from combining some of these items. So I've measured 2.5 cups of the desiccated coconut, and now I'm going to pour in the condensed milk that we've just made here, so that we can be able to combine it. After this, you'll see me adding vanilla essence at 1 full tablespoon of vanilla essence. And that's it, guys. After that, you just combine it, combine. Then after combining, you will wet your hands. After wetting your hands, you begin to mold them into the shapes you want, so that you can be able now to just cool them down. And after they cool down, you are able to take them as they are, or as you will see, I'll add some chocolate to it so that it can be sort of bounty, like bounty chocolates, the mini small bars we normally buy from the supermarkets or the airports as we travel.
Everybody has their job, 9 to 5, and getting drained. They settle for second best, scared to risk what the future might bring. What the future might bring. I hold my breath, waiting for someone to knock at my door, telling me there is more waiting for me. Whoa. If I love you harder than I've ever done before, oh, maybe I belong somewhere above the water. My lungs are tired from running for a long time. My feet got blisters, but maybe I belong if I love a little harder. If I love all the ways the world puts me to the test, if I embrace every fall, learn to grow and keep myself tall, would it hurt at all? I hold my breath, waiting for someone to knock at my door, telling me there is more.
So my chocolate did not form as expected. I expected it to come out runny and smooth, but there was a problem with the types of chocolate that I used. I mixed 2 types of chocolate, and I feel if I was a bit patient, I should have just continued to stir it a bit off the heat. It would have smoothened, but I guess I was a bit impatient and I had to deal with this lumpy sort of chocolate. Nevertheless, the bars tasted awesome. They are great. I put them into the fridge to cool after for about 30 minutes, and they were ready to enjoy, and we really loved them. Please try this, and I hope that it will bring a delight in your kitchen, and you will be able to come back again for more recipes.
For you, it's all for you, it's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you, it's all for you, it's all for you.